Question 11. 2 into open bracket 4x minus 1 over 2 equals 9 into open bracket x plus 1 close bracket over 4. Find the value of x. This question is a very straight question. You have 2 into bracket 4x minus 1 close bracket over 2 equals 9 into open bracket x plus 1 close bracket over 4. You can choose to cross multiply first to make these fractions plain, or you can open the bracket at the top, the numerators, this one and also this one. So let's start with opening the bracket so we can make our work easy. We go with 2. This 2 affects this 4x and this 1. It's saying 2 times 4x is 8x. That's 2 times 4x. 2 times 4 is 8, then with the x. You can put this minus, then you can have 2 times 1, that's 2. Normally, you're supposed to take this 1 with the minus and multiply it by 2. Like saying 2 times minus 1. You know, the 2 has a plus, though it's not showing. Whenever there is no positive or negative sign in front of a number, it definitely has a positive in front of it. So you do plus times minus, you know, is minus. Then 2 times 1 is 2. So either way, you still get minus 2. So you have 8x minus 2 over 2 equals, on the other part, you have 9 times x and 9 times plus 1. 9 times x is 9x plus, you can put your plus first, this is still going to give you a positive, plus 9, or 9 times plus 1, or 9 times 1 is 9 over 4. At this point, you can choose to cross multiply or multiply both sides by the LCM of 2 and 4 to turn it from fractions to plain math. So you can say multiply both sides by 4, but for the sake of ease, we cross and multiply. At this point, we cross multiply. We can go with this first. That's 4 times 8x minus 2. You have to be careful here. 4 into open bracket 8x minus 2 close bracket. You have to put it in the bracket because the 4 affects both the 8x and the minus 2. Equals, on the other side, you have 2 times open bracket 9x plus 9. So you have 2 into open bracket 9x plus 9. Note, the 2 also affects the 9x and the 9. Next you're going to do is multiply the 4 times the 8x and also the 4 times the minus 2, because the 4 outside affects everything in the bracket. So you have 4 times 8x, you can do it in rough work. That will give you 32x. 8 times 4 is 32, then you include the x. So you have it as 32x. Then you have 4 times minus 2. The 2 owns the minus, so you have 4 times minus 2. 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. Equals, on the other side, you have 2 times 9x. You can say the 2 times the 9, that's 18, then you join the x to it. So you have 2 times 9x as 18x. So you have this as 18x plus, then you have 2 times 9. 2 times 9 is 18. At this point, we collect like terms. We have 32x, the plus 18x crosses the equals to sign and becomes minus 18x. Now what you're actually doing is you're subtracting minus 18 from both sides, or you're adding minus 18 to both sides. So you have minus 18x equals 18, then minus 8 crosses the equals to sign to the other side and turns to plus 8, or you simply say you're adding 8 to both sides. Next you have 32x minus 18x. 32x minus 18x is 14x. Equals, on the other side, 18 plus 8 is 26. Since we're looking for x, we divide both sides by 14. 14 will cancel 14 here. X will be 26 divided by 14. 2 can go in both of them. 2 here, 13. 2 here, 7. So you have it as 13 over 7. X is 13 over 7. Looking at our options, we know our options are in mixed fractions. We don't have an improper fraction there. So we have to convert this from an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. So 13 over 7. 13 is bigger than 7, so it's improper. A smaller number is carrying a bigger number, so we have to break it down. 13 divided by 7, 1, remainder 6. 7 can go in 13 only once, so you write it as one whole number. Then the remainder will be 6 over 7. So our answer for the value of x is one whole number 6 over 7. From the options, our answer is E, which is one whole number 6 over 7.